Are you going to do it? My name is Matt Dudzik, and this is not Jackass, but this is the bench jump. I've been talked into it. I'm kind of rushed. I have to leave in 5 minutes, and I'm pretty much just going to ride off. It's a good 3 feet, 3.5 feet. And
just pick up at the end.
Kyle, you recording? Yep. Oh, my balls! God! Oh, the right one. Jimmy. Oh, God. Kyle, your wrist guards didn't help. I get it. I just popped it with a... Oh, God.
Tell us what you just did.
I popped my right nut. Does it feel like it went up? No, it felt like it went out.